will now learn to find out the cube root of a perfect cube. The cube root is an inverse process of the cube. Let's identify the symbol used to represent a cube root. The symbol shown here is for the radical sign. The cube root is represented by a small 3 on the top of the radical sign. Let's take an example of a perfect cube, say 27, and find out its cube root by using the prime factorization method. To find out the number which when cubed results in 27, you need to factorize 27. Factorizing 27 results in 3 3's as prime factors. When you cube the number 3, the result is 27. Since the cube root is an inverse process of the cube, you can say that the cube root of 27 is 3. Now let's find out the cube root of 9261. Factorize this number to get its prime factors, which are 3 3's and 3 7's. You can raise 3 to the power of 3 and 7 to the power of 3. On combining 3 and 7 and raising it to the same power of 3, you get 21 raised to the power of 3. Therefore, the cube of 21 is 9261. Since the cube root is an inverse process of the cube, you can say that 21 is the cube root of 9261. You will now learn to use the estimation method to find out the cube root of a perfect cube that lies between 1000 and 10 lakhs. Let's find out the cube root of 42,875. Make groups of 3 digits starting from the units place or right. You get 2 groups of digits. The right group, that is 875, will give the units place of the required cube root, and the left group, that is 42, will give the tens place. To get the units place in the right group, look at the rightmost digit and think which prime number from 1 to 9 when cubed results in this digit. Remember that the cubes of 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 end with 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 respectively. The cube of 2 ends with 8. The cube of 8 ends with 2. The cube of 3 ends with 7 and the cube of 7 ends with 3. In the given example, the rightmost digit is 5 and the cube of 5 ends in 5. Therefore, place 5 at the units place. Now consider the left group. Identify between which two perfect cubes does the number 42 lie. 27 is a perfect cube that is less than 42, and 64 is a perfect cube that is more than 42. Take the perfect cube that is less than 42, which is 27. Now, the prime factor of 27 will take the tens place. 3 is the prime factor that gives 27 when cubed. Now 3 will take the tens place. Therefore, the cube root of 42,875 is 35.